Hi everybody, happy Thursday. An impromptu video here, very short, sweet, and to the point, but I thought it was a good one to come in and share. If you can tell by the title, I pray and hope all is well. Where you are, I am in the Houston, Texas area, and our mayor currently has us under a stay-at-home order. You can still go to the grocery store and essential places are open that were deemed essential. But, and as you all know, because I haven't talked to you because the other videos were all pre-recorded, but I've been working at home for the past week and a half, and that will continue for the short term until we return into the office. And so yeah, doesn't necessarily mean I can sew more because I am busy during the day online with work meetings and different things of that nature, and I have quite a few meetings today actually. But I wanted to come in to share with you the offer from Bluprint. I thought it was so awesome when we received this email, and for those, I've mentioned this before and it does mention it in the description box, this is an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of a commission if you decide to join, but you don't have to. But I wanted to share, at any rate, they are kicking off today their free creativity care package, which is awesome. I thought it was such an awesome way to just for those who have no choice but to be at home, work from home during this time, or and you're trying to think of things for your kids to do, grandkids, if depending on how your household is set up. This will be an awesome opportunity for those in your household to gain access to Bluprint. So what they're doing is, let me just go to my notes. They are what they're calling Craft More Happy Moments. And so during this time, it starts today, which is March 26th, and it ends on April 9th, 2020. That you will have free unlimited access to all of their classes. So they have over 1,300 classes. It's a 14-day event. There's step-by-step projects and tutorials. What I'm going to do is show you, for those who haven't been on Bluprint since it was Craftsy, which was a while ago now, but I will show you around just real short snippet of Bluprint so you can kind of see the layout of it and the different things that they have to offer. I'll show you that in just a moment. So you will have an opportunity here to do things for your kids, with your kids. Maybe it's just for you. You want to learn knitting, crocheting. You want to learn to paint, to write, to draw, jewelry making during this time. And you're trying to figure out those creative juices. What are you going to do during this time? And so, yeah, I, highly encourage you all to be creative. During this time, be creative in your thoughts, with yourself, with your kids. Even your spouse can take advantage of this and learn something new that you've always wanted to learn, or something that will kind of take up some of your time so you're not maybe indulging in the news as much. Obviously, stay connected, what's going on in your local area and different things of that nature. But when you want to pull away and do something that's outside of paying attention to all that, and if you're working from home like me, you have some downtime, you have your lunch, your breaks. After you've gone for a walk, go outside, get some fresh air, go for a walk. I'm about to do that myself shortly here. But you have some time, then jump over onto Bluprint and take advantage of their free creativity care package. So what I am going to do is leave everything in the description box. You will find the link down in the description box, but stay tuned here. I will share what is on Bluprint, just a real quick clip, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just showing here Bluprint. This is the home screen. I am actually inside of my account. But yeah, here you just, once you go in, for those who have not visited Bluprint since it's been changed from Craftsy, you see that you have a lot of options. You have different things for family, quilting, sewing, knitting, crocheting, drawing even, and then of course more cooking. And at the top here they have what's trending, and then you can continue to scroll down, and then they have perfect for beginners. And so And again, everything from crochet to sewing to cooking, or jump right into sewing. So I just wanted to show what some of the areas were, and just in case for those who have not been, who are new to Bluprint. Let's just see what they have here for family. So maybe you're at home with the kids and you need to kind of help them find something to do while they're at home. Here are some different cooking classes, Doodle Wars, the Big Baking Experiment, Craft Show. This here has different parts to it, so this may be something that they can watch, you know, throughout the week, maybe a set time in their day for just leisure for something like this. And then popular projects, different things of that nature. Just clicked here just again, just to give you an overview. So under quilting, under crafts, under food, under art, you have painting, writing, jewelry making, home and garden, woodworking, fitness, embroidery. There's so much that you can do, so much that you can get into. So take advantage of this free creative care package from Bluprint. So that's all it is. Very simple. Again, you have so many opportunities here during this creative time frame that they've opened up for sharing their platform. Thanks to Bluprint for offering something like this during this time. It's for all different skill levels, all different family members, friends. Share this out to others. And so, yeah, thank you, everybody. I hope you've been enjoying the sew along. Part 3 ended yesterday for the handbag, and the Upton starts on Sunday. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, we will see you on Sunday. Thanks, everybody. Have a blessed week. Stay safe and take advantage of this free creativity care package by Bluprint.